Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you and talking about how to install your 13x6 613 wig. And so this wig I got from Miss Lula's Hair, and sorry guys, I'm out of breath. But in this box it comes with a black wig cap, and it comes with a little pamphlet about how to care for your unit, and then it also includes their social media account. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. So right here I'm just showing you the wig cap construction, and it has adjustable straps right here on the side, and you can adjust it to any size that fits your head. To achieve this look, I will be using a knee high, something to blend out the foundation on the wig cap, some sort of adhesive, scissors, any type of foundation, got to be glue free spray, some type of oil, alcohol, a comb and a brush, a cloth, and your styling tools. So now I'm just taking my got to be glue free spray and putting that on my knee high, also known as my wig cap. And then on the cool setting, I will be using that to blow dry my wig cap. So I applied the got to be glue free spray about 3 times, and then I cut off the excess wig cap, and I also apply my foundation as well. So now I will begin using my Ghost Bond adhesive, applying 3 layers. So now I'm just cutting the wig lace into 3 sections so that it'll be easier to lay down. So now I'm just laying a few more baby hairs to hide the lace a little bit more. So the hair wouldn't lay down like I wanted, so I had to go wet my hair so that it could lay flatter. So now I'm just flat ironing my hair so it can look a little bit more flatter. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.